Hi everyone, here we've got a HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly, let's open the browser. In my case, it would be Google Chrome, so simply tap on it and choose this three dots icon. Trust me, here we've got three dots icon. After tapping on it and getting back, you can see that I was not lying. So let's tap on it and choose the history right here. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, you can remove only one of it just by tapping on this X button right next to it. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So obviously you can remove this whole list one by one manually, but if you'd like to do it automatically and if you'd like to remove advanced browsing data, just tap on clear browsing data here. And as you can see, we've got basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, so the list we just saw, the cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you'd like to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything, and let me change the time range, because you can do it. Just tap on this arrow, and let's change it from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. Just tap on it. And if you're ready, just tap on clear data. As you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now totally empty. So it means that we just successfully removed actually everything, starting with the list of visited websites and ending with saved passwords, for example. So actually, that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.